Hello guys, get ready with me to start off the day. So I'm gonna do skincare, no makeup. Okay. Okay. Okay, and then putting on the lotion. Okay, so now I'm gonna get the beauty blender. I know the beauty blender is for like makeup and stuff, but I'm using as a user for lotion. Um, okay. Do you guys also use like lipstick for blush? I know I said I'm not gonna use my, but I'm just gonna put like on a teeny amount of less. So yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna do my hair. Bye.